Welcome back to our channel. We're thrilled to have you here with us today. Today, we're diving into the amazing world of olive oil, a golden elixir that has been cherished for centuries, and uncovering some incredible health benefits you probably never knew about. Olive oil is not just a kitchen staple, it's a powerhouse of nutrients. We all know olive oil is a staple in the Mediterranean diet, which is often praised for its health benefits. This diet is renowned for its heart-healthy properties and longevity-boosting effects. But olive oil is more than just a delicious cooking oil. It's packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that can improve your overall well-being. Imagine drizzling this liquid gold over your salads, pastas, and even using it in your baking. The possibilities are endless. It's like a magic potion for your body. From boosting brain function to enhancing skin health, olive oil does it all. Stay tuned as we explore 9 incredible ways olive oil can seriously upgrade your health. Whether you're looking to improve your heart health, manage weight, or simply add more flavor to your meals, olive oil is your go-to. You won't believe some of these. Get ready to be amazed by the wonders of olive oil and how it can transform your health journey. Let's talk about fat, the good kind. Olive oil is overflowing with monounsaturated fats. These amazing fats are like superheroes for your heart. Think of them as tiny scrub brushes for your arteries, clearing out all the bad cholesterol that can clog them up. Lower cholesterol means a happier heart and a healthier you. So ditch the unhealthy fats and embrace the goodness of olive oil. We've got antioxidants, people. These tiny warriors are like the bodyguards of your cells, protecting them from damage caused by nasty free radicals. Free radicals are like little troublemakers that can lead to inflammation and all sorts of health problems. But olive oil's antioxidants are here to save the day. They swoop in and neutralize those troublemakers, keeping your cells healthy and happy. It's like having an army of microscopic superheroes fighting for your well-being. Inflammation. It's a big deal. It's like a fire alarm going off in your body, signaling that something's wrong. Chronic inflammation is linked to all sorts of health issues, from heart disease to cancer. But guess what? Olive oil contains a special compound called oleocanthal, which acts like a fire extinguisher for inflammation. Oleocanthal works in a similar way to ibuprofen, a common pain reliever, but without the potential side effects. It's like having a natural anti-inflammatory right in your pantry. Chapter 4: Stroke Prevention. Olive oil to the rescue. Strokes are serious business, but olive oil might just be the superhero we need. This golden liquid, often found in our kitchens, has properties that go beyond just adding flavor to our meals. Studies have shown that olive oil is a stroke-fighting ninja. Researchers have been diving deep into its benefits, and the results are nothing short of amazing. It's the only source of monounsaturated fat that's been linked to a lower risk of stroke. How does it work? Well, these fats are known to improve heart health by reducing bad cholesterol levels and increasing good cholesterol. Remember those heart-healthy fats we talked about? They play a crucial role in maintaining the elasticity of your blood vessels, ensuring smooth blood flow. They're back at it again, keeping your blood vessels clear and reducing the risk of clots that can lead to a stroke. By incorporating olive oil into your diet, you're not just enhancing the taste of your food, but also taking a proactive step towards better health. So, next time you drizzle that olive oil on your salad or cook with it, remember, you're doing your heart and brain a huge favor. Chapter 5: Heart Health Hero. Olive oil's got your back. We've already talked about olive oil's heart-healthy benefits, but let's dive a little deeper. This liquid gold is like a multivitamin for your heart. It reduces inflammation, protects your arteries from damage, and even helps improve blood flow. Think of olive oil as a personal trainer for your heart, keeping it strong, healthy, and ready to pump for years to come. Chapter 6: Weight Loss Wonder. Olive oil won't weigh you down. Worried about olive oil adding inches to your waistline? Don't be. Contrary to popular belief, olive oil doesn't automatically equal extra pounds. In fact, it might even help you shed a few. Olive oil helps you feel full and satisfied, which can prevent overeating. Plus, it boosts your metabolism, helping your body burn calories more efficiently. So go ahead, drizzle some olive oil on your salad and enjoy guilt-free. Alzheimer's disease is a heartbreaking condition that affects millions of people worldwide. But there's hope. Some studies suggest that olive oil might be a valuable tool in the fight against Alzheimer's. Olive oil contains compounds that can help protect your brain cells from damage and may even help clear out those pesky amyloid plaques that are a hallmark of the disease. It's like giving your brain a protective shield against cognitive decline. Diabetes is a growing epidemic, but olive oil might be a secret weapon in the fight against this chronic disease. Studies show that olive oil can improve insulin sensitivity, which means your body can use insulin more effectively to regulate blood sugar levels. It's like giving your pancreas a helping hand in managing blood sugar. Olive oil isn't just good for your heart, brain, and waistline. It's also a powerful antibacterial agent. It contains compounds that can inhibit the growth of harmful bacteria, including Helicobacter pylori, the bacterium responsible for stomach ulcers. Think of olive oil as a natural disinfectant for your gut, keeping those harmful bacteria at bay. And there you have it. Olive oil, a staple in many kitchens, is not just a cooking ingredient, but a powerhouse of health benefits. 9 incredible health benefits of olive oil that you might not have known. From boosting heart health by reducing bad cholesterol levels to fighting inflammation with its rich antioxidants, and even protecting your brain by improving cognitive function and potentially reducing the risk of Alzheimer's disease, olive oil is a true superfood. Its monounsaturated fats are not only good for your heart, but also for your overall well-being. So go ahead, make olive oil your new best friend. Incorporate it into your daily meals, whether it's drizzling it over salads, using it in your cooking, or even as a dip for bread. Add it to your diet and experience the amazing health benefits for yourself. You'll not only enjoy the delicious flavor, but also the numerous health advantages it brings. If you found this video helpful and you want to learn more about how simple changes in your diet can lead to a healthier lifestyle, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Your support helps us create more content that can make a difference in your life. And subscribe to our channel for more health tips and information. We regularly post videos on various topics, from nutrition and fitness to mental well-being and more. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy and take care.